dog training collar. It's rechargeable and waterproof. With this model, you do get the control unit, and then you have 2 different ones and 2 different collars. Simple box like this. Here's your charger. It's all in different pieces. You just plug it in together. So you plug this piece in, and here is the skinny one is to be able to charge this right here, and then the fat one is to charge the receiver right here. And it is waterproof, so you just have to make sure that that is in. Pushed in all the way, that little rubber bit right there. It goes to USB, so you can charge it directly into your USB port, or you can plug it into this wall adapter. It's nice that you are able to charge the transmitter and the receiver at the same time using that one cable, and then you'll have to charge, you know, these ones one at a time with that one cable that's provided. It comes with 2 waterproof collars. This one is great. It's highly visible. These are all a shiny material. The buckles are all nicely made. And it's very, very long, so there's a huge range that it will work with. I have all different sized dogs. My largest dog is 120-pound chocolate lab, and then my medium-sized dog is about a 20-pound min pin, and this will adjust to fit all of them. It'll fit anyone. Huge heads like that. I don't think anyone has that big of a neck. And then it can go quite small. So for my min pin, I guess something around like that, and so you just wind it back around, put it through the hole of both of them, and then just put it right like this. And then if you have any more left over, then you can just secure that with some Velcro strip or something if you'd like, so it's not sticking out that way. Or you can cut it then. You get 2 pouches of different tips. You got the longer tips for your long-haired dogs, or you know, whatever you need a longer tip, or you have your really short tip, and then you have your medium-sized tips as well. 2 packets of the same thing. I already put the medium-sized tips on this one, and that lightning symbol says that it's going to do a zapping, and then the number 1 says it's going to send the signal to the first receiver. These 2 receivers are identical. They're not set as 1 or 2. You can program it, and it's really easy to program. You just hold down the button and then it beeps and all that. So you set it to 1 or 2. When this thing is on, if you want to test it without testing it on yourself or the dog, there's little wire over there, and then these contact points over here. All you have to do is rest this on here. You don't have to push or anything. You'll see the flashing light here because I did turn it on and it is in standby. And then when you push the Y, that's how you get it to zap. And you can see the light over here going. So that's how. And to change the severity or the intensity, then you just hold down these up and down arrow buttons. So you have a range of 100 all the way down in increments of 1 to 0, and you can go from 0 to 100 with just one push of the button. At 100 setting, you can see how much brighter that light gets. That's how much stronger of a signal or how much stronger of a zap that the dog will be receiving. Versus 0, which does nothing, and one that's very, very light. And it's a little pulsing, which just feels like a little scratch or a tickle. An unpleasant scratch or tickle, but yeah, it's very, very minor. In fact, my min pin, who's about 20 pounds, didn't even act like he started feeling anything until I have it at around 2 or 3. This unit is great because you have a whole bunch of different modes that you can choose from. Here you have the light mode, and when you have the light mode and you push the activator button, then it will blink this light every second. Then you have your beep mode, and you have your vibration mode, then you have your static mode, and that you need the light to show you. But lots of different ways that you can correct your dog, so you don't. It's not just a shock collar; it's a training collar, and there's many different options. Plus, you have your different severity levels, so it's very user friendly and works really well, and you can really tailor this to your needs. I really like their manual. Usually manuals don't do anything, but this one gives you all the information. It's really easy to understand, and not only does it tell you about how to use your product, it also tells you. It also has some nice little fit things, and it'll tell you how it should fit, and caution, risk of skin damage. Make sure that it's not, on forever and ever sort of thing. It has like tons of really good information, plus your facts over here and troubleshooting. From everything that I've gathered from reading what they recommend and all that, they really do have your pet's interest in mind, and they really tell you how to use this product in a safe and responsible manner. So the only mistake that I caught over here was it says over here, take out the test bulb, and wind its metal wire on the receiver's collar's contact points. That's actually incorrect. I think maybe that's old, because now there's this thing, and this is your tester, and so there's no winding of any wires to the contact points. And I'll if there are any questions, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Hi there, today I'd like to take a look at this Petrainer dog training collar. It's rechargeable and waterproof. With this model, you do get the control unit, and then you have 2 different ones and 2 different collars. Simple box like this. Here's your charger. It's all in different pieces. You just plug it in together. So you plug this piece in, and here is the skinny one is to be able to charge this right here, and then the fat one is to charge the receiver right here. And it is waterproof, so you just have to make